Sweet tea daily, spreading the light.
Today's video is extra special because I'm partnering with a few fellow creators to share a faith-filled shoebox collaboration centered on the greatest gift of all, Jesus. Be sure to stay to the end because I have a little something for you as well. Thanks for being here. Let's do this. Hi friends, and happy Easter to you. This shoebox collaboration is a collab that features the same wow gift versus a themed shoebox. Tiffany from Blessed and OCC Obsessed generously gifted a group of us OCC content creators with an amazing wow gift, and we built our boxes around this item. So after you watch this video, I hope you will head on over to the other channels taking part in this collaboration, and I will link the pages to their channels in my description box. And I would like to say thank you to Tiffany for this amazing gift and for gathering us together to pack faith-based shoeboxes for some really special children who need to hear the gospel message. I also want to mention that Tiffany heads up a really wonderful Facebook group called OCC Shoebox Packers. She creates amazing lid designs and free printables as well. So this gift is for a girl who's 2 to 4, and when she opens her box, this is what she'll see. And I'll take the papers out so that you can see the lid design. The lid design has Jesus and the children, and it says, "Let the little children come to me and do not hinder them, for to such belongs the kingdom of heaven," from Matthew 19:14. And on the top is the wow gift from Tiffany, this beautiful Jesus plush. Isn't this so sweet? When I received this in the mail, I was actually going through kind of a hard time. I had lost a really dear friend of mine, and I was struggling on this day in particular when this arrived. And when I opened the package, I just instinctively gave it a hug, and it was like getting a hug through the mail. And I felt such peace in that moment, and I thought, what a perfect gift for a child, just something that will give comfort and hope and peace. And this is just a very, very special plush. Also on the top is this little lamb. And I put a bow on the lamb, a purple bow. Reminded me of Easter. And I'm including a lamb because Jesus is the Good Shepherd. I'm also including a baby wrapped in a blanket, the little bow. Actually, this is a burp cloth. And I just really like to include baby dolls in my girls' boxes, or some kind of a doll, a Barbie doll or a Chelsea doll. She will also be receiving this dress that has bunnies on it. Kind of hard to see. And a pair of shorts to go under the dress. A globe ball. And I do like to include balls in my boxes when I can. And these two items have nothing to do with the theme, but I needed to fill up some space in the box, and I thought these would be really fun. She's getting a washcloth, a spoon, a toothbrush, and I left the toothbrush in the package, but this is a really cute little toothbrush. I have to show you. It's a little bumblebee. I got these off of Amazon, and I just love them for the little ones, for the 2 to 4 group. She'll be getting a compact mirror brush combo. A pair of socks. A little lamb duck. I found this at the dollar spot at Target. These are scrunchies that came with the dress. So if she doesn't have long hair, maybe she can use them as a bracelet, but they're very soft. We'll be getting a box of crayons. A Jesus Loves Me letter writing practice. You can find this on the website, sweetteadaily.com, if you'd like to print it off for your own shoeboxes. She'll also be getting this Jesus Loves You Little Lamb coloring book, also from the website. And the words to this are a hymn, I Am Jesus Little Lamb. And the translation, here it is in English, and on the left is the translation of each of the pictures. And I've shown this in one of my other videos before, so you may have seen this already. But you can go on sweetteadaily.com and look at it and print it off if you'd like. She's getting a book, The Christmas Story. I love the last page, a little child with a lamb. The pictures in this book are so beautiful. So even if she can't read or know English, the pictures are just so lovely to look at. Then she's also getting the Story of Easter book. The pictures in this book are also really lovely. She'll be getting a bunny whistle. An egg shaker. A pair of underwear. This is her pencil pack and her school supply kit. And I've made these in another video of mine, but I like to include Play-Doh, a dry erase marker, just pencils, all the things that you would need in a basic pencil pack. She'll also be getting a glue stick and some safety scissors, a nail file and a nail clipper. God Has Great Plans for You puzzle. And this is a Bible matching game. And this is also available for free on my website, sweetteadaily.com. And there are 36 tiles. So it's a pretty good sized game, and it's based on all the different Bible stories. There's Joseph's coat of many colors, and there's a cross, and 2 stone tablets, and all the kind of the highlights of the different Bible stories, the different symbols for the stories. She'll be getting a Happy Spring coloring book. And I believe I found this at the dollar spot at Target also. And I really like this book. This is my Bible Stories activity book. And I actually found this last summer. We were traveling, and one of the places that we stopped at, just on the way to where we were going, I think it was at a gas station, had this book. And I thought, oh, those stickers are really neat. And so anyway, I bought it, and not quite sure what box I was going to use it in. And I thought, oh, this would be a perfect box for this. But, oh, they have so many fun activities. She'll be getting a little mini bag with a rabbit on there. And then inside of her folder, she has some paper, a little princess crown. This is our cat Libby. And here is our picture and our letter to the child. And this is a little sticker scene I found. I might have found it at Dollar General. I thought that would be really fun. Well, I hope this box encouraged you today and reminded you just how powerful a simple gift can be when it's filled with the love and the message of Jesus. And one more thing I want to mention, it's something for you. On my website, I've put together a little virtual Easter egg hunt. All you have to do is go to the website, click on any of the Easter eggs you see, and it will take you to a printable. So be sure to do this during the month of April because come May, the eggs will disappear from the website. Well, friends, that's all I have for you today. It's been my joy to be with you. May God bless you in your shoebox ministry. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.